Hi, I'm Emily from Motor Match Stoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Abarth 595 in grey. With its eye-catching red brake calipers and distinctive Abarth side stripe, this vehicle boasts a 1.4 petrol engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. This vehicle stands on these stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, adding to the car's exterior. To ensure the road ahead is fully illuminated, this vehicle benefits from these stylish headlights with LED daytime running lights and front fog lights to ensure you are visible in all weather conditions. Complemented by these stylish rear lights. Moving into the rear cabin, we have the stylish fabric black upholstery adding to the car's stylish feel. Now moving into the boot space, which has ample room inside, perfect for everyday essentials. Your back seats also fold down at a 50-50 split. Now moving into the front cabin, the stylish look continues with that same upholstery on the front two seats as the back. Now moving forward, we can see your multifunctional steering wheel with your driver's display ahead and the sport mode option. Moving to the infotainment system, you can access all the radio options available as well as connect your own device to listen to your own music. You can also add your telephone to ensure you can make and receive those all-important phone calls. Moving down, we have your easy to use manual air conditioning and your manual transmission there and a USB charge port. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Abarth 595. If you are interested in this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team here at Motor Match Stoke.